Hello everyone and welcome to another Meta Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create a Meta Ads report with AI. We're going to go straight to the point and we're going to do everything together. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Step number one, you're going to come here to your Meta Ads Manager. What you need to do is to make sure you have all the metrics that you care about in this report. So you can click here on columns, you can go to customize columns and make sure here on the right hand side that all the metrics that you care about can be found in this report. If you want to add more metrics, so let's say impressions, for example, here, you can select them from the left hand side or you can use the search bar. Make sure all the metrics that matter for your business can be found here. And we are going to save this report. So here we have results, impressions, reads, clicks, link clicks, post saves, post comments, and so forth. The next thing we need to do is to make sure that we add any breakdowns that we need. In our case, we're going to click here on breakdown. We're going to break everything down by day, which means the date. So we can build a trend line also with AI. And now a campaign performance is broken down by day. Now make sure you have your dates correct. So choose the dates that matter for you. So either, let's say, month, quarter, or whatever date range you like. And the last thing we need to do is to click here under export, and we're going to say export as CSV. Why CSV? Because CSV is the file type that AI tools can understand. They can parse it, they can scan it, and they can make calculations. Now our report is downloaded, so what we're going to do is we're going to open it here and we are going to clean it up a little bit. So what do we mean by cleaning it up? So here we have two columns that are relevant to date. We're going to delete one of them and we're going to name the other one date so that the AI can understand what we can find in this column. Everything else is fine. So we have a list of basically all the different campaigns. We have all the metrics here. And we are good to go. So we're going to save it maybe with a normal name. So we're going to call it Meta Ads Test Report and make sure here that this file is CSV, delimited. And we are good to get started. So now I'm going to close this file. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. You can go to any AI tool. Now that we are here in ChatGPT, we're going to click the plus symbol. We are going to add our CSV file. And when the file loads, we're going to give a very simple prompt to get started. We're going to say to the system, please calculate the total campaign performance. Calculate the total campaign performance based on my data. And we're going to say here, for example, total amount spent, link clicks, etc. So we are going to give a very simple prompt to the system. We're going to press enter. And now hopefully the AI is going to understand that. It's going to scan my CSV file, is going to analyze it, and is going to go ahead and give me the aggregate campaign performance here in this table. So we have impressions, reads, clicks, link clicks, post saves, post shares, post comments, amount spent. We have this table. It doesn't really look very beautiful, but it's a start. Now, let's actually continue. What can we do next? We're going to say to the system here to run some calculations. As you can see here, we don't have click-through rate, we don't have cost per click, we don't have cost per reaching 1,000 people, for example. So we are going to give some prompts here to the system to calculate these metrics. So I'm going to say, calculate the following metrics, and I'm going to say CPC, CTR, CPM, and cost per, let's say, reaching 1,000 people. And I'm going to say, give me everything in a nice and neat table. So we are going to press enter, and now the system will run the calculations for us. Right? So this is to demonstrate that AI can actually do calculations. And now we have also, let's say, the click-through rate, we have the CPC, we have the CPM, we have the cost per reaching 1,000 people. And now here I'm going to say, give me a proper table in ChatGPT. It's because I don't really like this table. So the system here is going to take my prompt and hopefully is going to create a really nice table. Here we go. Okay, so now we have the aggregate performance. Now let's actually summarize campaign performance. So we're going to say to the system, please give me a table summarizing performance for all the above metrics, for all my campaigns. So campaign performance, we're going to say here in parentheses, in case the system cannot understand. And now AI will scan my CSV and it's going to give me a nice table with my campaign performance, right? So let's give it maybe 1 minute. And we have here a table with campaign performance. Now we can see here that some campaigns don't really have data. So what we're going to say to the system here is please remove all campaigns that have, let's say, 0 data, and also add a summary row, right? So now the system will basically clean up everything and is going to give me a table only with the campaigns that have data and also a summary row, right? So that's it basically. Here we have our campaign name, spend, link clicks, impression, click-through rate, CPC, CPM, and so forth. Now what you can do is you can say to the system, give me this in an Excel sheet if you are happy with that, but we're going to do a couple more things now together. So we have the date in our Excel sheet. So what I'm going to say to the system here is create a chart with, let's say, reach and cost per, let's say, reaching 1,000 people by date. And now the system will basically give me a chart. So AI can not only do tables and calculations, but it will give me now a nice chart by date. And let's actually look at what AI is going to give us. So now this chart is not the most beautiful one, right? And why it's not the most beautiful one? Because we have so many dates here, so many days, so that it looks very choppy and we can't really make any insight. So I'm going to say to the system, please give me the same, but by month, right? So now we're going to actually have a chart that is going to be a little bit more beautiful. And now you can actually give other prompts. You can say change, for example, the colors. And in this case, we want the cost per reaching 1,000 people to be a line and to be measured on the right axis. So we are going to say the cost per reaching 1,000 people should be measured on the right axis. And now the system will basically finalize our chart. Now we can do this with just one single prompt, but my intention here is to demonstrate to you what AI can do. So now this is the chart. So now we can actually say to the system, okay, duplicate this, but with link clicks versus CPC. Or we can say duplicate this with reach versus CTR, right? So we can actually have the AI here to build basically all our charts one by one. Now, what else can we do? We can say to the system, okay, based on all the data and my campaign performance, tell me what insights do you observe? And now we can actually use AI to get insights. So the system will give us here a summary of campaign performance. And now here, the system is going to give us some insights. It's going to say that we are very click efficient. The CTR shows healthy engagement. The CPM and cost per reaching 1,000 people are super low. Reach versus cost over time. The monthly trend shows consistent reach, a stable cost per reaching 1,000 people. So now the system here gave us a couple of insights. And now, without asking, it also gave us some strategic recommendations. Now, what you can do if you want to transfer everything outside of, let's say, ChatGPT, is you can say to the system, give me, for example, campaign performance and maybe performance by month tables in an Excel sheet, and also give me the charts I ask you about above in a downloadable format. And now the system will basically create two nice and neat tables. It's going to give me the charts, and all you have to do is to basically export everything in Excel, copy the charts, copy the insights. You can ask also for additional recommendations, and that's it. So that's it for this video for the most part. Now a quick recap on what you need to do. Job number one, you're going to come here to Meta Ads. You are going to make sure that you have all the metrics that matter in the table. You're going to make sure that your dates are correct, and you are going to export everything as CSV. Then you're going to clean up this file a little bit. Maybe make sure that you have only one column that is relevant to dates. Maybe you're going to remove any rows that are zero. You're going to save with a proper name, and you're going to come to an AI tool, maybe ChatGPT, and you are going to upload the file. Once you upload the file, you're going to ask the system to give you a summary. This is also to verify that the system can parse the data and can make the calculations. And then you can use AI to calculate additional metrics. We calculated here click-through rate, CPC, CPM, cost per reaching 1,000 people. You can use AI to create nice and neat tables like this one. You can use AI to create charts. You can also modify the charts in terms of everything, axes, colors, and so forth. And when you are happy with the analysis, you can also ask the AI to give you recommendations, spot insights, and the last thing you can do is you can ask the system to give you everything in Excel and to give you everything maybe in a PNG here, so you can download all the charts, you can download all the tables, you can transfer them then wherever you like. And that's how you can use AI to create a Meta Ads report. That's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Let me know if you want me to create any other types of reports using AI, or if you have a specific requirement. I'm really happy to do that for you and create another video. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.